Good morning, dear students. Open your grammar textbook, page number 3030. A new lesson. Today we will start. Lesson number 13, describing words. Here in the box, one word is there that is called adjectives. 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 Yes, now what is a describing word? Look here, some pictures are there. A tall boy, a short boy, black shoes, white shoes, a high heel, a low heel, a big car, a small car, a thick book, a thin book, a long pencil, a short pencil, a fat man, a thin man, a young woman, an old woman, hot water, cold water, a clean shirt, a dirty shirt, a new shoe, an old shoe, a wet towel, a dry towel. Now here, with the words with the red ink. Yes, the words with the red color. This tall, short, fat, thin, black, white, young, old, high, low, hot, cold, big, small, clean, dirty, thick, thin, new, old, long, short, wet and dry. These all words in red color describes the noun. What they describes? Describes the nouns. As you know, nouns are what? Nouns are the naming words, like boy. Here we are describing boy, that the boy is tall, short. Here we are describing a man, that a fat man, a thin man. We are describing here shoes, black shoes, white shoes. Here we are giving description about a woman, young woman, old woman. Yes. Here we are describing heel, high heel, low heel. Here we are describing water, hot water, cold water. Yes. So here we are describing the nouns, that is called adjectives. These all words with red color are called describing words, which describes the noun, that is called adjectives or describing words. Now move to page number 31. The word boy, man, shoes, woman, heel, water, car, shirt, book, shoe, pencil, towel are nouns, and the words tall, short, fat, thin, black, white, young, old, high, low, hot, cold, big, small, clean, dirty, thick, thin, new, old, long, short, wet, dry describe these nouns. They are therefore called describing words. These all words describes the nouns. Therefore they are called describing words. Here the definition is there below. Words which describe something are called adjectives. All describing words are adjectives. You will notice that the adjectives almost always goes before the nouns. Now in sentence, almost all the adjectives we are writing before the nouns. A yellow flower, a strong man, brown shoes, sweet mangoes, a heavy box, dirty clothes. Now here all these are nouns: clothes, box, mangoes, shoes, man, flower, and we are writing this describing words, that is adjective, before the nouns. Yes, look here. before the nouns adjective is there. But in the sentences the adjectives comes after the nouns. Now below here some sentences where the adjectives come after the nouns. The sky is blue. This knife is sharp. Bananas are cheap. Lemons are sour. Ashok is tall. His shoes are dirty. So here in some of the sentences, yes, the adjectives comes after the noun. Now exercise 1 is there. Look at the pictures and then complete the sentences with suitable adjectives. Here are adjectives to help you. Sad, fat, hot, old, new, tall, low and strong. These are the adjectives in the box and we have to choose an appropriate one for the blank. Number 1. This table is not high. It is low. L-O-W, low. Number 2. This man is not young. He is old. This cat is not thin. It is fat. Turn your page, page number 32, number 4. This boy is not short. He is tall. This man is not weak. He is strong. These shoes are not old. They are new. The sun is not cold. It is hot. The girl is not happy. She is sad. Okay, now what you have to do, explanation part I will upload in Google Classroom that you have to write in your notebook, and this exercise you have to just finish in your textbook. Okay, then in next session I will upload this thing in Google Classroom what you have to write in notebook. Okay, thank you.